a lot of people that try to pretend like they about this bike life. But they ain't really about this bike life, bro. What is going on, my beautiful people? It's your boy, Mr. 20 West in the building. You know what today is, Sunday, fun day. It's time to get that ride in. Alright, today we gotta get J Money's intro, and supposed to be D Money's intro. If D come through, I don't know, bro. D Money might not show up today. For those who don't know, D Money is the one with the clapped out R6. Go check out my group ride, you'll see his clapped out R6. And my boy J Money is the one with the Kawasaki 400. Boy, we is out here today. Today is gonna be a good day. So go ahead, hit that like button. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Let's go ahead. Let's go up. I'm looking for at least 5 likes. At least 5 likes. That's it. 5 likes. What is 5 likes? You know what I'm saying? All right. Yes. That's Vegas vibes. You don't get that in the A. That's for sure. Yo. What up, gang? The building, you ugly fucks. I'm just playing. You not that ugly. You straight. Listen. On my way to go meet J Money, man, to start today's process. You know what I'm saying? I ain't really gonna record too much of anything, to be quite honest with you. But we working on 2 intros today, boys and girls. Maybe 3 if I can get mine in. Yeah. So that's what today's vlog gonna be about. Pretty much just going to go and get this stuff underway. Get the guys into their YouTube professions. You feel me? Like D Money, he already got his. I think we'll talk to him a little later on today, see what his actual name is. I feel like it's Don't Fear. That's the YouTube channel. He don't really post as much though, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to talk him into it, you know, all the guys, gang shit. I think that's about it. Hopefully we have a good ride today, man. It's pretty, I'ma chill, you feel me? I ain't gonna be on dumb shit today. Put this bitch in A mode though. Hold it up. Yes sir, gotta get some giz ass. So I picked up my boy J Money, and right now we're waiting for D Money or D Noise to pull up. And I think he late. You ever had that one person that be like, yeah bro, I'm gonna pull up, and then they're just like stupid late, so then you like asking questions like, thinking, where you at, bro? That's the situation that we're going through right now, waiting for D Noise to come through. Look at my freaking brake calipers. I gotta put my new brakes on. I gotta hurry up and put my new brakes on. I'm having a little too much fun with having bad brakes. You know what I'm saying? I'm having a little too much fun with having bad brakes. Just a little bit. Let's fuel this bad boy up. It said that it was full, but I still need to put a little bit in there. Yep, cause look at that. It's almost nothing in there. So alright, give me a second, guys. I'm gonna give y'all a montage of being at the gas station. I'm YouTubing. Yeah. Alright, so plans kind of changed a little bit. So we was waiting for my boy to pull up, and like we've been waiting for an hour.
And finally, we was just like, you know what? Y'all see that? That's crazy. We was waiting for like an hour, and finally I was like, you know what, man? I gotta get this ride in, man. Give y'all these vibes, bro. Sure. Oh yeah. Oh my god, boy, we out here. We out here. Oh, it just seems like we getting the green light special too. Like, of course, very nice.
Ooh, what y'all know about that yellow Corvette? Very nice.
What do you know about rolling down in the deep end? Hey, Mommy.
What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. Ay, what you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. She say that I'm cool.
Alright guys, alright, I don't know if you can hear me all the way, but we're gonna end the ride here. You know what I'm saying? We're out here in the middle of fucking nowhere. Hopefully you like the vlog. Please like, comment, subscribe. More stuff on the way as always. Look at this, look at this. This is for the carbon project. Fucking up my all of this. Just, what is this? Thanks for watching. Peace. Exit picture. There we go. It's a picture and it's a video.